Bullish Jasmy coin. Jasmy cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.016884 and $0.031892 by 2030. Market experts accept Jasmy could reach $0.013132 by 2025. Bearish Jasmy coin market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.003002. Jasmy coin. Jasmy presentation. Jasmy coin, as a stage, was sent off to utilize the Web of Things, IoT, gadgets, and media made to store and handle information in a decentralized structure. Very much like the non-exclusive construction of a market, the digital currency market continues developing and fanning out, while inviting new conventions and groups consistently. Notwithstanding, with this persistent development and extension, more cycles are made to support them, and one of these arrangements is Jasmy coin. Jasmy. Jasmy stage fills in as an information assurance convention that places information a majority rule government at a high worth and expects to go about as a delegate for the solid trade of information and resources through their confidential individual information storage spaces (PDL). This guarantees that information isn't effortlessly gotten to by unapproved parties and further handled and put away in concentrated frameworks, which help information examination and hoarded conjectures. In this video, we'd investigate the idea of Jasmy coin. Jasmy. Will the past cost presentation make it a wise speculation for the following bull run? Will it hit all-time again after this passing twisting? And what's the cost figure for Jasmy before very long? What is Jasmy coin? Jasmy. Jasmy coin is an Ethereum-based coin and local badge of the Jasmy stage, a Japanese organization that Kunitake Endo made to interface more web, IoT, gadgets, consequently improving the conventional method of abundance move, as the gadgets are utilized as an installment for the help. This symbolic serves an enormous scope of issues and purposes. As per Jasmy coin's white paper, in a digitalized world, people don't just go about as clients who partake in the comfort of IoT gadgets, yet additionally as information suppliers who produce various kinds of information around their living climate. We accept that the responsibility for information will have a place with the actual people, not to a concentrated organization. The coin was sent off first in Tokyo, Japan, before significant trades recorded it, and in this way viewed as the main authority Japanese crypto coin, and controlled by the nation's administration. Jasmy coin. Jasmy is likewise a utility symbolic that gives the framework and climate to decentralized servers to assist individuals with the most common way of putting away their information in an information storage and exchanging them with organizations prepared to have it. This decentralized server that offers this help and is utilized by the stage is called IPFS, Interplanetary Record Framework, a decentralized stockpiling framework. Juan Bennett made this capacity framework. However, the organization used to fabricate it is Global Space Document Frameworks, IPFS, which offers a convention that speeds up, makes a more open and more secure web, and incorporates trust into the blockchain. This convention is likewise Web3 stockpiling network that offers the motivations of Filecoin as its auxiliary. The advantage it offers to an individual is that you're accountable for your information and its utilization case, offering it to whomever you pick. Jasmy's organization will probably act as a dependable stage for clients and organizations that utilization their foundation and guarantee that its situation in the market can in any case take special care of one of the main concern issues of modern times. Jasmy coin is presently worth $0.003752 United States dollars. Jasmy has moved 3.75% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $46,909,434. Jasmy coin is presently position 135 among all digital forms of money, with a market capitalization of $178,483,909 United States dollars. Using the general strength record, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal union difference, MACD, from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Jasmy coin. Jasmy, to conclude, we either having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Jasmy coin, Jasmy, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value forecast 2023. Jasmy coin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. Jasmy. The Jasmy cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $0.005628. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous. However, no extensive drops are normal, averaging $0.005253 and cost is very aggressive, yet it is doable soon, given expected joint efforts and headways. Jasmy is supposed to have a base worth of $0.004502. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Jasmy coin Jasmy cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Jasmy will before long outperform $0.00938. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the Jasmy's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Jasmy will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.007504 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.008254. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value forecast 2025, assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025. It could reach $0.013132 and Jasmy might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Jasmy is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.012006 and a low of $0.011256 in 2025. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2026. In the event that Jasmy coin effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money devotees, the Jasmy coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Jasmy will be green in 2026. The Jasmy is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0.016884 with a base cost of $0.015008 and a typical cost of $0.015759. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Jasmy cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.019511 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.01876 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Jasmy has a greatest value worth of $0.020636. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.023263. On the off chance that Jasmy figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $0.024388, neglecting to assemble the help Jasmy needs by 2028.